Steve Grills. Today, we're going on another wildlife expedition. See this nuss here? It looks delicious. In fact, I really want to eat some. But sadly, my cameraman Steve Jono passed away recently in the last episode. See, he was killed by a tiger wildebeest. Makes me sad just thinking about it. Okay, basically, if he didn't die from that tiger, he would have shortly died after that attack by this wonderful plant. See, it's not like any other plant. It's called nuss. It's a highly venomous plant, which actually isn't a plant. It's really a bug. Hi there, I'm Steve Grills. We're about to go on a very dangerous journey down to the hidden lair. Okay, first things first, let's go. Oh no, Greg, I found a paracuda. Run! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Sadly, my cameraman Gregeth has passed, like all my other cameramans. I've actually filmed so many episodes of Nature Week, Weekly of Week, but sadly, all my cameramen have died. The last episode you saw was with my trusty cameraman Steve Jono, but yes, he's passed as well. But because I didn't have any blood or gore in it, I was allowed to air it on the BBC VOC of A. That's great. Anyway, going to very sad.